In this guide, you'll learn how to fix your private video still processing standard definition on YouTube. First thing you want to do is wait for processing to complete. YouTube takes time to process videos, especially if they are longer in high resolution. Even private videos may experience delays. Next, check the format and quality of the video. Ensure your video is in a format that YouTube supports like MP4, MOV, or AVI. YouTube might have trouble processing videos that are in unsupported formats. Next, make sure you have stable internet connection. Or also you can switch between networks. Next thing you can do is try a different browser or device. There could be an issue with the browser or device you are using. Next up, check YouTube server status. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the website like Town Detector, search for YouTube. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If none of these solutions work for you, you can contact YouTube support. They may be able to provide insights into why your video is still processing and help fix the issue. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.